This play kit is a marble run activity that is intended for 5-year-old children, and it targets Learning Goal 2 under the Discovery of the World domain, which states that children will find out why things happen and how things work through simple investigations. So this is just a prototype of how the marble run can look, but essentially, depending on the children's goals, they will plan for how they would like the marble to move across the box in small groups, after which they will use recycled materials to create the boxes on their own. With the big idea of exploring movements in round objects, their goal may be to create the fastest route, or to create a maze to experiment with how the ball moves, or many more. Therefore, a unique feature of this play kit is that it's open-ended and reflects that of a construction play. And as shown in the pictures, depending on the available materials, children can create all sorts of marble races. Additionally, children can choose to extend on it or make changes to it even after weeks of playing with the kit, as they can easily remove the parts. A challenge in making the kit was that sometimes the ball may get stuck depending on how the route is designed and the size of it. However, this shows the potential for the play kit to be encouraging towards creative problem solving in children as they work together to achieve their goal.